long time no see. It's been about 4 months since I made a video. How y'all doing? I'm back. And I want to be back and consistent, okay? Oh wait, I'm tripping. It's a lot of new people up here. I don't know if y'all gonna see this, but I know for a fact there's a lot of new subs on my channel since I've been gone. It's that come to work with me video. I don't know why it's blowing up, but it's blowing up. Welcome to my channel. I'm J Simone. You call me Jalen, JTJ, whatever you want. We are a family around here. It's all love. It's all love. So, y'all might be saying, Jalen, what's going on with your hair? We are doing a hair video. As you can tell, I'm doing mini twists. I had a lace front on, okay? And it was a cute lace front. A blonde, deep, curly, deep wave lace front. But I just took it off because I got tired of it. And the glue was too much for me. As you can see, it broke off my hair. After it's been a bunch of months screwing this part back specifically. So yeah, that's what we're doing in this video. So let's get into the hairstyle. Okay, I honestly don't think y'all really want to see the back, but I did want to show y'all a few in the back just to make the video whole, I guess. So yeah, this is really just a time lapse of me doing some twist in my back, and I'm gonna come back in with the update. So yeah, just enjoy the music and stay for the ride. Gotta put it in a song. Your love is perfect, I have nothing to fear. Alright, so we're about 3 rows in. I'm gonna turn around and show y'all real quick. Don't judge me if it look a little weird. That's how we're looking. Okay. And don't mind like the tiny row at the bottom. I just twisted those because they're like my beady beads type stuff. So yeah. But yeah, this is where we're at so far. Get into the length, get the elongation. Yep, I'm feeling it. But I'm not really gonna bore y'all with the back. I just wanted to give y'all a little update. It's 11:57. I really feel like I could push through my whole head. I don't know why. I'm probably gonna burn out around like 1 a.m. The back is about halfway done. This is gonna be the longest row because it's like in the biggest part of my head, the widest part of my head. Are you laughing? Okay. It's on the widest part of my head. And the rows on top get shorter and shorter. So the back is basically done after this row. If we're being delusional. if we're being delusional, the back is gonna be done after this row. That's all I had to say. I will see y'all when it's done. All right, y'all, I'm back. It is 1:58. And the back is done. Get into the boutique. Yeah, it's a little stiff right now. Mind your business. But I'm gonna take them down. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all, I started like either late 10s or early 11s. And it's before 2 o'clock. I take that as a personal best. Y'all see, we get it. Okay. We get into it. The parts might not be perfect because, like, I just wanted the rows to be perfect, to be honest. Because I was just grabbing here and twisting it, to be honest. They're not all the same size. I don't care. Just to explain what I did, I braided the very top root and then I twisted the way down, and I just left the ends alone because I'm probably gonna wet them or put leave-in on them so they revert and curl. It gives sister lock, you know, mini twist sister lock, but not really lock-in type energy. So that's what I'm going for. But yeah, I really honestly think I can knock out the front tonight. Well, today. I think I can. And I'm gonna show y'all more of the front. So yeah, I'm about to go get me something to drink, and I'll be back, and we gonna get this front done. You give me security, yeah. You're so loyal that I never have to wonder. You give me all that I need. I can't get enough of your love. I can't get enough of your love. I can't get enough of your love. y'all, just stopping in again. So I'm doing my front. Like I said before, I'm putting Shine and Gem on the root, braiding it like 3 braids down a little bit, and then I'm twisting the rest of the way down, and I'm leaving my ends alone because I'm gonna revert them later. So I'm just doing a bunch of twists and showing y'all. Basically, it's a time lapse, you know, little montage. Not a montage, it's definitely a time lapse. But yeah, enjoy the music, stay for the ride, you know, stay for the end results, for real, because that's what we here for. So yeah. Alright, so this half isn't done. I have one more row left, but I'm gonna just come back when I finish my whole head, because I mean, y'all seen me do it a bunch of times. But yeah, and I'm like, the way content can come out of these, you know, like, oh, trying 10 styles on my mini twists. Y'all, I'm back in it. My mind is back in the game. I'm here to stay, okay? I'm here to stay, but I'll be back. I'll be back. Keep watching, all right? And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And follow my social medias at _J.Simone. J-A-Y, not just the letter J. Yeah, and same for TikTok too, _J.Simone. Thank you. And I'll be back when my head is done. Alright, so it's 3:37. I finished my first half of the front at 3 o'clock. I finished this half in 37 minutes. I can say I was pretty efficient. I started this at 10. Maybe like late 10s, early 11s. I'm done at 3:37. Come on. The first day or night is always like, these aren't cute. Because they all straight and, you know, they're not really giving no volume, no curl, no nothing. So that's how I'm feeling right now. But to be honest, I set it up to where I can have my side parts. Well, my mom parted my hair. Shout out to you, Mama, I love you. But I can have my side parts. I can do like style, you know, do a ponytail, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna oil my scalp. I'm gonna tie these down, put a bonnet on. And yeah, I'm not sure if I want to put the leave-in on tonight, only because I just did them. And I want them, you know, to have a little chance to just be, you know. That was my main reason for not putting Shine and Gem on the whole twist, so they don't revert right away. As you see, I made it work with my little ball spot. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. This is my first video back. Hopefully it wasn't too rough for y'all. Hopefully it was a good, you know, set off video from the video, because a lot of y'all were introduced to me through my come to work video. So hopefully this keeps you here, keeps you subscribed. It even encourages you to turn your post notifications on, because y'all thought I forgot about that. I don't know why y'all thought I did. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Hopefully y'all try to make this for yourself. If you're looking for a cute protective style, you know, low maintenance, this is it. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all follow my social media, _J.Simone. And yeah, God loves you, I love you, and we vibing. Y'all, get into the land. Yes. I know I already did my outro, but y'all, they came out so cute. I just had to show y'all the next day when I added the leave-in. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.